want to ask you this question. How do you show up for yourself? We tend to show up for everyone else with grace, with kindness, with compassion, with care. But when it comes to ourselves, we tend to neglect. We tend to be critical, harsh, condemning. Some of the things that we say to ourselves, we wouldn't even say to our worst enemy. So, how are you showing up for yourself? If I can challenge you today to show up for yourself with a bit more love and passion, the way that you would talk to a good friend, a good family member, and to remember that you deserve the same amount of love that you pour out to others. Remember that today. So let's show up ourselves in a good way.